Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Aziz Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about a website that have useful hand-picked product, resource, and tool for developer, designer, marketers, tech enthusiasts, and also professionals. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, I want to say thank you to all of you who have supported me to this channel. Whether you are my subscriber, you are my members, which is supporter, silver supporter, and especially for my gold supporter, which is Ali Al-Faraj. Not only that, you can also support me by click super thanks from this video. You can check all links in the video description to check my affiliate links. You can support through that link, and also you can donate through all the available links in this video description. I'm very appreciative if you want to support me, and it's mean a lot for me. Alright, so this is the website, which is Resource.fya. In this website, we will see like resource, product, and tools for everyone. Whether we are developer, we are designer, or we are content creator, we can use this website and we will get many resources or many products and tools that might be useful for us. Here we will see like a search button to search specific resource, product, or tool, or we can submit our product to be listed here. And also, if we want to save a product or resource, we can consider to create an account here. Alright, so here, explore, submit, and support product, resource, and tool handpicked for developer, designer, marketer, tech enthusiast, and professional. We can just create a profile, bookmark resource for later, upvote the resource we like, or submit product or tool for free to get listed on this website. Here we see like browse all. We can see all the product here, and if we want to vote here the product, we can just press upvote here to make it to be in the top. As we can see, it's sorted by how many user give upvote to a resource or product or tool. And here on the left side we see like categories. Let's press AI categories, top 3 AI tools, software, and apps. We will see the product category of AI. And let's say API, we will see like pipeline AI. And to go to the product, we can just press this visit site. Let's say this. So it will bring us to OpenAI website here. We can just log in and sign up to this OpenAI website. And also there are a lot of categories here. Maybe color. If we are designer, we can just press color and gradient categories. So we will find a resource for colors and gradient. Let's try this here. We can just copy in the CSS, or we can copy hex code from this color and we paste in our design. And next, let's say design inspiration. It's like a UI resource, and then this Behance, screen length, dribble, one page love, landing folio, and so on and so on. And this is design resource. So here there is design inspiration, and there is also a design resource here. And design tool, here we will see like pull pick, remove background, Jasper Art, Magic Studio, that we can try now as we want. And scroll down, we will see like no code tool or no code platform here, and then open source here. So we can see like Supabase, and then Bitwarden. It's kind of like open source password manager for all of our device here. And here we can also see skill development here, so we can see a lot of lists here, web development, and so on and so on. So I think this website helped us to find maybe tool, maybe product, or maybe a resource that we can try based on the categories, or we can submit our product to be listed in this website. So if you think this website useful, you can just click link in the description below to go to this website, and you can find inspiration from this website, which is resource.fya. So yeah, I think that's enough my video today. If you have any questions or comment, write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much, and see you again on the next video.